The dragon is the best-known creature that never was. Native Americans, medieval Europeans, ancient Chinese, and Neolithic hunters. Show any of these peoples a picture of a dragon, and they'll instantly recognize it. How could different cultures, isolated by geography and millennia, all invent the same nightmare?
Some people might say a good way to understand the nature of the dragon is to say it simply leaps from the imagination, human imagination. The problem with that is that the dragon is found everywhere, in all different cultures, different climates and whatnot. And there's no way to explain how Eskimos could imagine the same dragon that, let's say, Polynesians would imagine, that a Chinese classical scholar would imagine, that the knights of King Arthur would imagine. So clearly, we're not talking about something that is imagined here.
Jones studies over 100 cultures around the world. And finds that everyone pictures their dragons with the same key attributes.
They're going to be reptilian creatures. They're going to have some kind of wings, usually stunted wings, which indicate the ability to fly. And they're also going to have muzzles and big teeth. Dragons will often have beards or some sort of protrusions from the chin area that's quite common. Also, the dragon tends to be depicted as a creature that has some sort of a toxic breath. The dragon is going to have large eyes, unblinking eyes. In many parts of the world, the word for dragon has to do with the eyes that stare like daggers, like knives. Dragons generally also will have some sort of a horn, but not horns that look like sort of conventional elk or deer. It's a very typical dragon's horn.